Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. I only want to take a look here at the shorter time frame today. Yesterday, I covered the larger time frame, the bigger picture. That hasn't changed, of course, so we're just trying to navigate here these short-term structures, basically just navigating short-term volatility. The market has not yet confirmed a local low, so while the roadmap for higher prices stays very much intact for now, on the local level, we are in a correction, and I have not yet confirmed any low in place, okay, for this correction, this pullback that started here on the 8th of August, yeah, so this is still unfolding. Also, the larger degree thesis that the fourth wave bottomed in August, yeah, here on the 2nd of August, is obviously very much on shaky foundations, as I said, because this move to the upside is only a three-wave move up. So this is, far from, the yellow scenario is far from high probability. Probabilities are fairly balanced whenever we have three waves into the presumed trend direction. Had this move up been a five-wave move, the situation would be more clearly bullish. But as you know, and as discussed in detail, in depth in previous updates, it was only a three-wave move up. So you can't really clearly confirm that a low is in on the 2nd of August. We have to remain flexible here. But for now, the situation is unchanged. Yeah, we're still holding above this August low, and we're still holding above the 78.6 retracement level at 285, though there is no sign that that a low has formed here in any way, right? So we need more evidence that a low is in place. What I shared with you yesterday and the last few days was that we need a break above $1. No, not $1. $3.15, $3.16. Here, these previous swing highs from the weekend to even consider that a local low is in place. Now, based on the structure, I can tell you that this level, we can reduce that level now. Let me remove the upper section here from the support area. We don't really need that anymore. But yeah, we can reduce that a little bit, lower it rather, and it would be this level. So it's $3.10. I'd like to see a break above $3.10 for an early indication of a low. Anything until then, to that level could just be classed as internal volatility here, I would say, without really any meaning. But above $3.10, it's starting to get interesting, and it would, start to indicate that the bulls might be here to make a comeback. But then that does not really take us out of the range, right? It just means that maybe a local low is formed. So we would then need to see from 310 a rally to 340. That's the next key level here. And that is really the main resistance level that we couldn't break above over the last few days and actually over the last few weeks and months, because this year, I mean, you could argue that was maybe an attempt, but we could not really sustain above that level. So that level is very, very important, right? So 310, then 340. And to the downside, I've got $2.85 as structural support. And below that level, I've got this $2.74 level, which is the swing low from the 2nd of August, which might be tested if we break below 285. Below that, we've got 265. And then below that level, which is a structural support level, the area between 246 and 221 comes into focus. So I'd say kind of broadly, the green and the red lines here, they define the local range. I'm even considering a triangle pattern. I explained that to you over the last few days as well, because look, we're dealing with corrective structures to the downside, corrective structures to the upside, to the downside, and so just three-wave patterns, right? But to really consider a triangle, or to confirm it rather, I need to see the next bounce. If it's clearly corrective and forms a lower high, then yeah, I'm going to watch for another higher low, and then we have a full Elliott wave triangle labeled A, B, C, D, E. So we remain flexible here for now on this chart. Situation is unchanged, but also without any local low. Not really too much going on. I hate to say it, but hopefully soon we get some more action. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. You'll find additional chart updates there, commentary, news, all sorts of things here on our X profile. Check it out. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.